Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder. Today SPAI just filed a Form 8K and I am seeing one major win that matters. Quick note, this is not financial advice, just my take on public filings for educational purposes. Safe Pro Group announced a new subcontract award that could be a significant boost. This filing is a current report, meaning it is for significant events that shareholders need to know about right away. It is like a bulletin from the company. The main news here is a new contract win. So, what is the big deal? Safe Pro Group, also known as SPAI, has landed a new subcontract. This is important because it shows they are winning business, and specifically business that is likely in the defense or technology sector, given their focus on AI threat detection and drone packages. This award is worth about $780,000. Now, that might not sound like a huge number for a publicly traded company, but for a company of SPAI's size, with a market cap around $90 million, it's a meaningful piece of business. This is a solid win that could lead to more opportunities down the line. It is about proving their capabilities and building relationships with prime contractors. We also see that SPAI has its common stock with a par value of $0.0001, trading under the symbol SPAI on the Nasdaq Stock Market LLC. This tells us they are a publicly traded company on a major exchange, which is good for visibility and liquidity for investors. They have also indicated they are an emerging growth company. This usually means they are a newer company that has certain regulatory advantages, allowing them to phase in new accounting standards over time. But in this case, they've elected not to use that extended transition period, meaning they are ready to adopt new accounting rules sooner rather than later. This can be a sign of confidence in their financial reporting and readiness for growth. While this filing itself doesn't contain detailed financial statements, we can look at the context. Just recently, there were headlines about Safe Pro Group securing a $780,000 purchase order from a new Department of War prime contractor for their AI-powered threat detection and drone package. This filing officially confirms that award. The information is presented in a press release furnished as an exhibit. This is a common way companies to announce news in an 8K. The press release itself would contain more details on the nature of the award and the customer. It is interesting that this is from a new Department of War prime contractor, which suggests SPAI is expanding its customer base within the defense sector. It is important to note that this information is being furnished and not filed in the traditional sense. This means it is for public disclosure, but doesn't carry the same legal weight as a fully filed document, especially concerning the Securities Exchange Act. It's more of an announcement mechanism, looking at the broader picture. SPAI has been in the news recently for other awards as well. They've had multiple recent US awards for their AI threat. Mapping package, this new $780,000 subcontract is one of them. The market seems to be reacting positively to this news, with previous headlines indicating the stock jumped 8% pre-market on similar news. Institutions like Citadel Advisors and Vanguard Capital Management hold significant stakes in SPAI, showing that larger players are interested in the company. This new award, while not massive in dollar terms, reinforces the narrative that SPAI is gaining traction in the defense technology space, specifically with AI-powered solutions. For a company with only 15 employees, winning these types of contracts is a big achievement and speaks to the strength of their technology. The key here is consistency and growth. If they can continue to win these subcontracts and potentially move towards larger prime contracts, it could be a significant growth driver. The biggest opportunity I see is their niche focus on AI threat detection and drone packages, which are high demand areas in defense right now. The risk, as always with smaller companies, is execution and scalability. Can they deliver on these contracts and manage growth effectively? The trend here is positive. They are securing contracts. Their stock has seen positive movement on such news and institutional interest is present. This $780,000 award is a concrete step that validates their technology and market position. Alright, that is my take on Safe Pro Group's latest filing. What is your view on this new award and its potential impact? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this analysis helpful, please hit that like button. Subscribe for more deep dives and check out the Discord in the description. That is my take. Stay decoded and remember, the research tools I use are linked in the description below to support the channel.